In this video, I'll show you how to save prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you frequently use the same prompts, saving and organizing them can make your workflow much faster. Instead of rewriting the same instructions every time, you can keep useful prompts available for future projects. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the workspace. Start by creating a new prompt or opening a prompt that you have already written. Before saving it, review the instructions carefully. Make sure the prompt clearly explains the task, provides enough context, and includes the output format or other requirements you need. For example, if you regularly create YouTube scripts, you could create a reusable prompt that explains the desired language, tone, structure, video length, and audience. Once your prompt is ready, look for the available Save, Project, or Prompt Management option in the current Google AI Studio interface. Depending on the current version, the exact button or location may be different, so follow the options shown in your workspace. Give your saved prompt a clear and descriptive name. A good name makes it much easier to find later. For example, instead of naming a prompt Prompt 1, you could call it YouTube Script Generator or Product Description Writer. You can also organize related prompts by keeping them in appropriate projects or using whatever organization features are currently available. After saving the prompt, open it again and test it. Make sure all of the instructions are still correct and that Gemini produces the expected result.